Hello again, neighbor. Welcome to our guide on code violations and bankruptcy, the numbers. If you are navigating bankruptcy, receiving a building code violation can feel incredibly overwhelming. A study of over 7,000 housing units found that unresolved violations have a severe impact. Data shows an average 3.4% drop in price for every 10% increase in unresolved code violations. Ignoring these municipal orders literally drains the remaining equity you are trying to protect in your bankruptcy. It is a mathematical reality that needs your attention. The financial drain continues with reinspection fees. In Milwaukee, the first costs $254, and subsequent ones jump to $508. If unpaid, these become tax liens that bankruptcy generally cannot wipe out. Bringing a home to code is expensive. Roof replacements can cost $5,000 to $10,000. Windows or siding can add another $6,000 to $10,000 each. For those in bankruptcy, these repairs are often mathematically impossible. You do have options to keep the house. Milwaukee offers the Strong Homes Loan and the Compliance Loan Program. However, these have strict low-income requirements and long waiting lists. If keeping the house is not feasible, you have three options. Fix it before listing, offer credits to a buyer, or bypass the traditional market entirely and sell as is to a cash buyer. Traditional buyers often cannot get bank mortgages for homes with violations. Local cash buyers like Fair Deal home buyers assume the burden of repairs and permits, cover closing costs, and charge zero commissions. We offer solutions tailored to your unique situation. We are your neighbors, here to help you review the numbers without high pressure. Visit us at fairdealhomebuyers.com today.